All right, so let's talk about using the filter lanes function when we're working with playlists in Pro Tools. So the last video that I filmed, which is probably out by now, so I'll put a card up on the screen for it, it covers a very similar concept to this. So both of the concepts here in this video and the one in that last video are showing you how to stay organized when you're working with playlists in Pro Tools. So this is just a slightly different method for doing basically the same thing. So I'm going to show you, I have these tracks. I'm just going to flip them into the playlist view. And if you're not super familiar with working in playlists, I do have some videos that cover, what playlists are, how to work with them, different things you can do with playlisting. So I will put a couple cards on the screen for that throughout this video, so you can check those out if you're interested. But other than that, we're just going to be talking about something called the filter lanes feature within Pro Tools for this video. So basically what you can do while you're trying to figure out which takes you want to keep here on your playlist is you can actually rate your clips. So 1 through 5, you can rate them, and then you can use that system to help you stay organized when you're narrowing them down. So I'm going to show you how to rate them. So first of all, you can click on your clip, and then you can right click and go to the rating at the very bottom. And then you can just give it a rating. So maybe this one, it's an earlier take, so maybe this one's not so good. So maybe this is a 2. Maybe this one, maybe I listen to it. I decide, you can hear my effects there. Maybe I listen to it and I decide, oh, this clip, I want to give it, maybe I'll give it a 3, right? And you can just go through and rate all your clips. So as you listen to them, you solo each one that you want to listen to. You listen to it, you decide, oh, hey, maybe I want to give this one a rating of a 5 because maybe this one's really good. Then I'll go to the next one and I'll listen to it. Another way you can rate them is using a shortcut. So basically what you do is you do Command, Option, and Control. So it's that 3-finger salute. And then you hit the number on the numeric keypad for which rating you want to give it. So let's say this one I want to give a 5 as well. So I just did that. I just held Command, Option, Control, and hit 5 on my numeric keypad. And so now when I right click on it and go to rating, you'll see that it already has that rating. So similarly, I'll show you this one. So Command, Option, Control, maybe this one's a 4. So now when I go to check it, it's on 4. And you'll notice too, you can take off the rating if you want. So you can apply no rating to this after you've already rated it if you do change your mind. So that's basically how you apply the ratings. And then what you can do is you can just go up here and right click on your nameplate and go to filter lanes. And you can actually filter how those lanes are displayed based on what the rating is. So for example, I can show only my ratings of 5. So these are going to be the best ones in theory, right? So I can narrow it down that way and be like, okay, cool. These are the good ones. Let me listen to those and narrow it down between all the 5s. Or for example, you can hide only lanes that are rated 1 and see how that helps it narrow it down for you. It's kind of however you want to use it, right? You basically use these features here under the filter lanes option here, and you can show or hide things based on what their actual rating is. So if I want to go back to showing all lanes, I can do that. I can see them all here. Oh, and one other thing is that you don't have to go to the top here to this main playlist nameplate and right click to get the filter lane options. What you can do is you can just click on any of the nameplates for the subtracks for the different playlists, and you can right click and you can also access those features from there. So if you're like way down here and you don't want to like scroll up to get to those options, you can right click and you can go to filter lanes and find them there. So yeah. So you can probably see how that's pretty similar to my last video, right? It's a similar idea of hiding playlists and displaying playlists based on, which ones you like or don't like. So I hope that is helpful for someone out there. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And as always, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I have noticed that apparently, according to YouTube, 90% of my viewers it was like 90 something. I forget exactly what it was, but it was 90 something percent of my viewers are not subscribed. So if you aren't subscribed, consider subscribing. It's free, it's easy, and it helps me continue to make these videos for you guys. It helps support my channel. So I would really appreciate that. And other than that, I do have a Patreon. So it's patreon.com/CatoNoise, and my patrons get access to additional content. So please feel free to check that out as well. And I come out with new videos every Wednesday, and thank you for watching. Okay. All right, I feel like I could do the end part really, really quickly if I wanted to. So I'm going to try it. All right, so So let me know what you think in the comments below. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'd appreciate all that stuff. And I do have a Patreon. It's patreon.com/CatoNoise. My patrons get access to additional content. I come out with new videos every Wednesday. And thank you for watching. Bam! I did it. I don't know what else to talk about. By the time you see this, I will be vaccinated. I'm so excited about it. I'm like really excited about it. Okay, I think that's good for now. I'm going to say bye. Bye.